guys, welcome back. Today I am coming to you guys with a soup recipe. It's been a minute. It's getting cold in Florida, so I had to come with this cheddar broccoli soup for y'all. If you guys love Panera's broccoli cheddar soup, then you will love this one. Before I jump into the recipe, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and of course like the video if you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, here's what you need. You will need a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and here you will need a tablespoon of garlic powder and a tablespoon of onion powder. You will need 1/2 stick of butter. You will need 1/2 medium onion chopped. Also, you will need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You will need 1 large carrot, 2 cups of 1/2 and 1/2, and you will need 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, 2 cups of chicken stock, you will also need 3 cups of broccoli florets, and let's get started. Alright guys, let's get started. I am going to start by melting the butter in this large Dutch oven pot. Alright, once my butter is nice and melted, I am going in with the minced garlic. Now I am also going to add in my chopped onion. We're going to cook the onion until it's nicely translucent. Now we're going in with the carrot. We're going to add in the carrot and cook it for about a minute. Now our 1 minute is up. We're going to add in the flour. By the way, I'm using all-purpose flour for this recipe. We're going to cook the flour to remove all of the raw flour taste. Once the flour is nice and cooked, we're going to add our chicken stock. As you add in your stock, make sure you're stirring it as you go so we don't have any lumps. Now we're going to add our broccoli. You can also use frozen broccoli for this recipe as well. Now we're going in with our 1/2 and 1/2. Just pour that in. And make sure you cook this on medium-high heat. Now after you're done stirring it, we're going to add our seasoning. I'm adding my salt, ground black pepper. And also we're going to add in the garlic powder and the onion powder and the nutmeg. Now the nutmeg add a nice flavor to this recipe. You can also leave it out if you don't like the flavor of nutmeg, but trust me, you're gonna need it in this recipe. Now we're going to give it a stir just like that. Then we're going to let this simmer on low for about 15 to 20 minutes. and make sure you cover it. Now we're going to cover it and let it simmer. Once our 20 minutes is up, we're going to remove the lid, and this is what you have so far. Give it a stir so it doesn't stick at the bottom. And now is the perfect time to add the cheese. By the way, I'm using sharp cheddar cheese for this recipe. Now we're going to give it a nice stir until our cheese is nice and melted. It's nicely cheesy, creamy, just how we like it. Now we're going to let it simmer on low until the cheese is nicely melted, and once you're done, this is how good it looks, y'all. The result is deliciously rich, thick, creamy. I just love this soup. It's loaded with comforting flavors, the broccoli and the cheddar, y'all. And if you love Panera's bread broccoli soup, you will love this one. So try this out. Let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me, you guys. If you enjoy it, why not just give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye. See y'all soon.